Good morning. Welcome to the forecast discussion for Thursday, September 22nd, 2022. And we have a powerful cold front on the way for today, just ahead of the Fall Equinox, which will be tonight at around 9 p.m. That's going to mark the beginning of the astronomical fall, which means that from here on out, the days are getting shorter and shorter. Today, the number of hours that we get sunlight and night and darkness is about 12 hours split, and from here on out we start to see less sunlight and more evening hours, more darkness. Well, this cold front that's going to be approaching the region is going to mark a pretty significant change in our weather pattern in introducing much stronger polar air masses, and that's going to mean much cooler air on the way. For this morning, temperatures range from the lower to mid 60s over the far northern interior, mid to upper 60s in your suburbs, lower 70s generally in your urban areas and along the immediate coast. Winds are from the southwest around 5 miles per hour, light and variable a little bit as well in a few spots. Ahead of our major cold front, which is producing showers out here towards central Pennsylvania and also northeastern Pennsylvania starting to move in. Taking a look at our latest radar and surface map, there's our warm front lifting well into New England. Here comes our approaching cold front, with showers and thunderstorms developing this morning, continuing on through the early afternoon. Looks like, though, this cold front will be clearing out just in time for the evening rush hour. So if you have plans, say you're going to a baseball game tonight, I don't think it'll have too much of an impact, too much of a problem once we get past about 6 p.m. throughout the region. So it should be okay for this evening, although a bit windy with winds behind this cold front from the northwest around 10 to 20 miles per hour. Taking a look at our latest infrared satellite picture. This out here, well, that is our Hurricane Fiona. Fiona has winds of 130 miles per hour. That makes it a Category 4 hurricane. It's moving to the north at 10 miles per hour. Fiona is going to stay well away from our area, but it will create strong tides, potential for some coastal flooding and some strong rip tides. Fiona is going to just miss Bermuda, just going to produce some tropical storm force winds, but unfortunately it's taking a beeline right for the Canadian Maritimes. This looks like a very impressive storm for the Canadian Maritimes. Not so much for us. We're going to be, well, it's going to be absolutely beautiful once we get done with this cold front, but for the Canadian Maritimes, even portions of eastern Maine, this is going to be a very, very nasty storm. On the same par as, I would say, as what we saw with Sandy in New Jersey, we may be dealing with something similar to that in the Canadian Maritimes, unfortunately. So this cold front's going to be moving through with showers and thunderstorms. You can see the lifting associated with it. And behind that cold front, a pretty impressive polar air mass builds in. So let's dive into this forecast. For today, look for showers and thunderstorms with temperatures rising into the mid to upper 60s over the northern interior and lower to mid 70s in your urban areas, mid to upper 70s on the immediate coast, basically timing the cold front and how long you have in that warm air mass. For tonight into tomorrow morning, look for clearing skies, windy conditions, winds from the northwest around 10 to 20 miles per hour, lows in the mid to upper 40s over the interior, lower to mid 50s along the coast. For tomorrow afternoon, look for scattered cloud cover with windy conditions continuing, winds from the northwest at about 10 to 20 miles per hour. And those winds will be stronger because of what we call the pressure gradient. You see how these lines are packed here? That is what's causing that. And the evolution of this is happening because we have high pressure in the Ohio River Valley. And here we have our hurricanes starting to transition to what we call an extratropical storm. Very impressive pressure drops down to 986 on the mile guidance here. So this difference in the pressure is what leads to our strong pressure gradient and our winds. Temperatures tomorrow will rebound only into the mid to upper 50s over the interior, lower to mid 60s along the coast. For Saturday, high pressure will be in control with scattered cloud cover. Look for low temperatures in the upper 30s to mid 40s over the interior and upper 40s to lower 50s along the coast. High temperatures will rebound into the upper 50s to lower 60s over the interior, mid 60s to lower 70s along the coast. On Sunday, a warm front will move through the region with increasing cloud in the morning, scattered showers in the afternoon. Look for low temperatures to range from the lower to mid 50s. High temperatures will range from the upper 60s to lower 70s over the interior and mid to upper 70s along the coast. On Monday, a strong cold front will move through with scattered showers, some of them capable of some heavier downpours. Look for low temperatures to range from the mid to upper 50s over the interior, upper 50s to lower 60s along the coast. High temperatures will range from the mid to upper 60s over the interior and upper 60s to lower 70s along the coast. On Tuesday, high pressure will be in control, but we could see an isolated lingering shower with a passing trough swinging through. Look for temperatures to range from the upper 40s to lower 50s over the interior, mid to upper 50s along the coast. High temperatures will range from the lower to mid 60s over the interior, upper 60s to mid 70s along the coast. On Wednesday, high pressure will build in with scattered cloud cover. It could be a bit breezy. Look for low temperatures in the upper 40s to lower 50s and high temperatures to range from the lower to mid 60s over the interior, mid to upper 60s along the coast. Now, we are keeping an eye on a tropical disturbance that is currently over the eastern Caribbean. It could develop into a tropical low pressure system. However, there is still a lot we don't know about this storm, so take this feature with a serious grain of salt before we really start locking down on the exact forecast. Just know that the eastern Gulf of Mexico has a threat for a tropical system in about 7 days or so, and that could be a factor for us in about 8-9 days. We'll see how this all plays out, but don't get ahead of yourself just yet until we actually get a low-level circulation that develops. On Thursday, high pressure will be in complete control with clear skies to scattered cloud cover. Look for low temperatures in the mid to upper 40s over the interior and lower to mid 50s along the coast. High temperatures in the lower to mid 60s over the interior and mid to upper 60s along the coast. That is your forecast discussion for today. Have a wonderful day, and as always, stay safe out there.